In a world of evolving automotive technology, Electrogenic, the British EV technology company renowned for its classic car EV conversions, has recently made waves. Expanding its horizon, Electrogenic has unveiled a groundbreaking development, further extending its network of international installers for drop-in EV conversion kits. This game-changing innovation enables the seamless integration of electric powertrains into beloved classic cars, from the iconic Porsche 911 to the rugged Land Rover Defender and the elegant Jaguar E-Type. Driven by a commitment to breathe new life into automotive icons, Electrogenic has meticulously trained partner installers to seamlessly fit the plug-and-play EV powertrain packages. These transformative kits, engineered after exhaustive research and development, signify the pinnacle of the company's growth in recent years. We're thrilled to expand our network, offering enthusiasts the chance to enjoy their beloved classics with a clean, dependable, and sophisticated electric drive. The latest additions to Electrogenic's network include renowned names like Stuttgart Legends and Cult 4x4 in the UK, and Brooklyn Spares in the Netherlands. These partners bring specialized expertise in Porsche, Land Rover, and custom builds, amplifying Electrogenic's reach. Stuttgart Legends, known for the bespoke services for classic Porsches, will cater to the full range of classic 911s. Cult 4x4 and Bespoke Off-Road, both experts in Land Rover enhancements, will offer EV conversion kits for various Land Rover models. Brooklyn Spares, masters of Land Rover restorations, will do the same in the Netherlands. Electrogenics, powered by Electrogenic, ARM presents a range of options for classics like the Jaguar E-Type, Original Mini, and Triumph Stag. These drop-in kits, embodying superior engineering and in-house developed technology, preserve the vehicle's structure entirely. This strategic expansion is just the beginning. Electrogenic aims to continue pushing boundaries, promising further partnerships in different territories, amplifying its global presence and transforming more cherished classics into eco-friendly marvels. For enthusiasts and adventurers alike, Electrogenic leads the charge in preserving the legacy of classic automobiles while embracing the future of clean, reliable, and exhilarating electric motoring. Join Electrogenic in redefining the future of automotive history. Stay tuned for more groundbreaking developments as they continue to electrify the classics. For more information on their range of conversion kits, visit their website. Electrogenic, transforming classics into electric legends.